In this video, we're going to take a look at the Tile Mate and the Tile Slim. What's up, people? I got a product to share with you guys. This one's going to be the Tile Bluetooth tracker. It's going to make your guys' life a lot easier. I know it's made my life a lot easier. It's going to help you find your wallet, your keys, if you end up misplacing them. Got a mess like I do in my basement right now because I'm moving around furniture. It's going to help you find these things all through an app. Got the app on my phone right now. I'll give you guys an example how it works. I'm going to go to my Tile app on my phone. Click into it. I got my keys already hooked up to it. I'm going to find keys. And you're going to hear the tracker making an audible sound over there. And also on the app itself, you're gonna see some rings. They're green circles. It's gonna allow you to, it's gonna show you how close you get to that item. So let's go over there. Here's my keys. Alright guys, so this is what the package is going to look like when you purchase it. This is the Tile Mate plus the Slim. It's a 4-pack tile. And pretty much what this is, it's just a tiny Bluetooth tracker that's easy to use with an app that finds your phone, your keys, anything you don't want to lose. Does it in seconds, and it also gives you the last location where that item was. So it makes it real easy to find anything that you might misplace or lose, which makes life a lot easier. I don't know how much time I spend just looking for stuff. I actually wish I could put these on tools, because when I'm working on something in the garage, I'm constantly misplacing my tools and stuff. So, but anyways, this is what it looks like. You can download the app through Apple or Google Play. Open up the sleeve, and that's what the tiles look like. Go ahead, pop them out here. So as you can see, they're pretty small. They got a hole here so you can run a lanyard or a key ring through. On the back here, it has where you can replace the battery, which is nice. It's just a little 1632 battery, it looks like. Put the cover back on here. And on the front here, you heard this beep. This Tile logo is actually a button here. If you double press this, just located my phone, because this is the one I got hooked up to my keys that I showed you earlier. So if you can't find what this is hooked up to, you use your phone with the app. Or say you can't find your phone, but you got your keys, double press this, and this actually alerts your phone to make that audible tone, and you'll be able to find that. These ones can be used for a purse or a wallet, maybe a backpack. It's pretty thin. You guys, example here. Here's a wallet. Just slide it in one of the credit card holders. Doesn't take up much room, much more room than a credit card. And then the same thing here is this is a button here. And once this is hooked up with the app, it would also do the same thing as the previous tile did, which would locate your phone. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys the Tile app. Now this was super easy to hook up this first tile here for my van keys. Probably took me less than 2 minutes. If you guys can see there on the home screen, I actually have my van keys. And actually, you can name it and take a picture of the product. You guys can see, take a picture of that. And it actually also has my Galaxy Note 8 on here. Because like I said, if you double click this, it's gonna send a signal to your phone so that you can find your phone, which is nice. We can go ahead and add another tile here. I'll show you guys how easy it is. It's going to tell you to click the tile button once to begin activation. Go ahead and do that. It's looking for the tile right now. There you go, it activated the tile. Hit next. Now you can actually pick what it's going to be for. Pick it for your keys, wallet, purse, phone, toy, dog, cat, or you can actually just put your own name in there. I'm going to do keys again. Hit next. Then here's all the different options you can go through. You can actually change the ringtone out to different ringtones. You also have find your phone. You can turn that on or you can turn it off. I'm gonna leave that on. You can default the volume to loud, normal, or mute it. Got more options here. This is where you can actually take a photo. Go ahead and take a photo of my keys. Hit OK. Now the photo is going to be up there. I'm also going to go here, change it to truck keys. And then here is a setup for smart alerts. It actually lets you know that if you set something up, that if say you forget your wallet, I program one of these slim ones for my wallet. As I'm leaving the house, it's going to notify me that I do not have my wallet on me. So that's also a nice feature. Alright, so you guys can see there, I got the tile and my key ring for my truck keys. Go ahead and test it out. Go back to the app here, hit truck keys, hit find. You see it works. Go back, hit van keys. This one's working. Then what we'll do is we'll turn my phone off here. Double click this. See if my phone, there goes my phone. So I got my keys linked up. Now what we'll do is we'll hook up one of these slim to my wallet. We're gonna go up here and add a tile. Do the same thing, hit the button once, hit next. It's gonna be searching for it. Activating. Now it's activated. Let's choose wallet. So there you go. So I can go back into wallet here. Go to more options. Once again, take a photo if I like. And we're all set. Go ahead and put this in my wallet. Hit find. There you go. It's working like it should. Now you guys are probably wondering, I said earlier, this tile here, the mate, actually has a removable battery, which is nice. These slim tiles do not have a removable battery. But on the box here, it does state that one, it has a 200-foot distance, and then it actually has a 3-year battery life. And that's on both. So there's 200 feet distance that this should get reception, and then the 3-year battery life will be on the slim. Obviously this will be replaceable. Alright guys, so the box said 200 feet was the max distance on this tile. I got the tile here on the back of my truck, the one that's on my keys, and we're gonna walk 200 feet away. I already got it marked off down here, and we're gonna see if it's gonna be able to locate the keys. I'm gonna go into the app right now. I'm in the tile app. So I'm gonna go all the way down here. You guys can see the truck behind me, and we're gonna see if at 200 feet we can hear that tile start ringing. Alright guys, so that's my truck down there. It's about 200 feet. We're gonna go into my tile app. We're gonna see if this actually works. I'm gonna go to truck keys. I'm gonna go to find. We're gonna see if it finds it. You guys can see there, it actually found it, and I can hear the audible playing from here. Shows one circle. See what happens as we get closer. Alright, I'm at 2 circles now. Walk a little bit closer. You guys can hear the keys going off. There's the keys. I'm at a full 5 circles. And there is the tile, like I said. Alright, so I'm going to do one more test. For those houses that have multiple floors, I got a basement and a middle floor. Just want to see if these tiles will work between floors. So what I'll do is I click into the tile app here. I got my wallet and I got my truck keys upstairs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit wallet here, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we hear an audible sound up the stairs. So I just hit wallet, and I can actually hear it going off right now. You guys can hear it's coming from upstairs. Alright guys, so that's going to be about it for this video. If you're interested in these, I'll put a link in the description box below. They run for about 35 bucks for a pack of 4. So if you're interested in these, go ahead and click on that link. Also, if you guys found this video useful, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.